Belki şekil vermek daha mı?
Okay, this is just behind the Tower Bridge, the residential area, most of it. We'll be coming out to Marina, Levin's house. We'll be entering the pure tourist area.
Don't do that again. Nah, man, no.
There's a London Marina.
Go this way.
Okay, hold a minute. Jess? These are all private yachts and boats. And my very friend is right behind me. Old London.
It's a very famous pub.
Oh, the Dickens Inn, yeah. Yeah. It's a lovely house. Okay.
Bridge from there, look, that gap.
You can see the Tower Bridge. It is absolutely right. There's a gap. That's just a glimpse of Tower Bridge. We'll be going very close to it in a minute. I'll take a walk. Let's go. Come on, grey mate. Follow me. I'm a proper tourist in London. Okay, we have to go round and round.
This is where Catherine's Dock.
St. Catherine's Dock is quite a famous thing. This is where we were just now. There's another filming going on. Can I swap the camera with you, bro? I like his camera. Here's the famous Tower Bridge, icon of London. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing. And that bridge opens from the middle, from right there, when the ship goes past. Can I have a picture taken? There's flower seeds. उसकी बना लिया तो बनाने दो.
Yours.
Oh, it's alright, you can make my video on mine. There's traffic going across the bridge. That's the River Thames. Goes all the way to English channels and that disappears.
Should we move into that?
Yeah, let's go there. This is Monday, remember, so it's not very busy. If you come here on the weekends, there's loads and loads of people. All these bars and restaurants.
प्रीतम सेपड़को चाल सेपड़ पड़े
No, that's not real fire, that just...
That is real fun.
Is that real fire?
We sat there once, remember?
I know we did. What the fire is for, it's not cold. When we came here, it was really cold. There was no fire. Okay, let's go. Tower Bridge, London. Uncle Bob's Munches. Keep watching, boys. Okay, we're just going onto the Tower Bridge. Let's go upstairs. Here we are, right on top of the Tower Bridge. That's called Shard. Supposed to be the tallest building
against everything that
in London.
Belki şekil vermek daha kolay.
A lot of tourists around here. Obviously, it's an icon of London. Now what you can see on the other side, that bridge, that's the London Bridge. Now obviously we'll go there as well and have a look. There you go, River Thames. Here comes the boat. South side of the London, we are on east. ship. We've been there ages. What is that called? Is it HMS something? I can't remember now. We'll probably go there and find out what's going on. Okay.
I think it's going to rain.
I know. Seems like raining, which is a pretty normal thing. But London is still much better than Manchester. Manchester will rain 10 times a day. Here, it will give you some warning.
What's that? Rain warning.
Yeah, at least it gets cloudy first, and after that,
No place like London.
I know there's no place like London, but my wife's not happy. She's happy in Manchester. She will be. She said you have too many friends in London for distraction. Distraction, no, not distraction, sorry. Okay, 78 to Shoreditch High Street. We're gonna go to Shoreditch High Street as well.
That's the shard there.
Yeah, they already showed them the shard. Maybe make a close up a bit. A shard. It's actually now owned by the Kuwait royal family. Topless bus. Sightseeing. London tour bus. The South Bank. Police sirens are not really a big deal here. You'll probably get used to them. That's a pretty normal thing for us, nothing special. We're gonna go down and to the south side of the river. Buzzing.